Does this look familiar? Fed up with cars making a mess on your lawn? The answer is SurePave. Easy to install on your lawn or grass verge. To prepare sub-base, simply excavate topsoil and backfill with sand. To lay the pavers, clip panels together to cover the prepared area. Fill the pavers with a good quality topsoil, overfilling the pavers by approximately 1 centimetre. Plant grass seed or roll out your instant turf. Pavers can be cut easily to fit your area or create curves. When grass is established, you can drive on your reinforced lawn and mow as usual. SurePave can support cars, boats, camper vans, even trucks. SurePave is available from Bunnings stores nationwide.